Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a wonderful video. In this video, I'm going to tell you the benefits of computer delivered IELTS. Okay, now computer delivered IELTS is going to be the only IELTS available in Pakistan. This is going to happen in the month of March. In Sri Lanka, this has already happened, and this is going to take place in other countries of the world sooner or later. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you about computer delivered IELTS. The main benefit is that the results are faster. Can you believe if you appear in computer delivered IELTS, you can get your results within 24 hours. Like for example, if you appear in computer delivered IELTS today, tomorrow you will get your results. Okay, it's pretty simple and straightforward. As far as paper delivered IELTS is concerned, it used to take 10 working days to get the result. Okay, after that, the second benefit is more frequent test dates. If you remember, in paper delivered IELTS, there used to be 4 dates available, right? First 2 dates in the first 10 days and the last 2 days in the last 10 days, and some tests were full academic and general training, some tests were half only academic. But now with computer delivered IELTS, you can actually have 3 tests every day, and there are more frequent test dates. If you want to book your IELTS test tomorrow, even you can do that. And in future, IELTS test is going to be a walk-in test. Walk-in test means you just go, they will actually register you, and right after a few minutes they are going to start your test. So this is going to happen as well. Now the next main benefit is actually one skill retake. Right, with computer delivered IELTS, you can have one skill retake. In the past, in paper delivered IELTS, where this option was not available, I have seen many students who achieved their desired band in 3 modules, but one module, that was writing, they were unable to achieve their desired band score there, and then they appeared in IELTS. Even I know a student who appeared in IELTS more than 10 times to get 8,777 band score. With computer delivered IELTS, you have this freedom that, for example, if your target is 8,777 and you get 8,776 or 8,776.5, so you can prepare for that single module and appear in that module, and you can get your desired band as well without having to appear in or without appearing in full test. Okay. Alright, these are some of the benefits. Now, next thing is convenient speaking slot. When it used to be paper delivered IELTS, speaking used to be conducted within 7 days before or after. For example, if your paper delivered IELTS test date was 20th, so speaking usually started from 13th till 27th, and there were slots of speaking test. But with paper delivered IELTS, it's a matter of 1 day only. Your all 4 skills will be tested on the same day. Mostly they have your speaking before, listening, reading, writing, and otherwise it can be after. There may be a gap of couple of hours so that you could eat something or you could drink something and feel okay, and then you can appear. My son appeared in IELTS exam twice, and he had his speaking same day but after 2 hours, and he went to McDonald's and enjoyed his lovely meal, and then he energized himself and came back for his speaking, and he got 7.5 band in speaking. So these are the benefits. And guys, future belongs to computer delivered IELTS. If we compare IELTS with other tests, most definitely IELTS is more trustworthy, more reliable. It's more authoritative. Like when you have IELTS, you actually have authority that yes, I have got IELTS, as compared to other tests which are available in the market. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you so much. We also offer IELTS test booking service all over Pakistan. If you want to book your IELTS exam, you will find the link in the description of this video. Click on the link and you can get yourself registered. And once you registered through us, most definitely you can get some benefits. There is the number of our IELTS test booking manager. He will tell you about fringe benefits which you may get by booking IELTS test through us. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. We offer study plans, we offer IELTS books, like we've got speaking book, we've got writing book, and all these books. So if you want to get any of these services, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.